Now, not only can Reactiv show great content down here, watch what we can do. This particular lab is doing a lot of digital and engineering design. So we have the ability to pull up all sorts of devices. So for example, this is my laptop. So I have my laptop on as a share screen right here. So if I move something, I'm actually bringing that on. We also have a variety of different cameras. So we have a secondary camera right here. So you can see that this camera can be used to go ahead and like maybe show a product. Maybe we're showing a whiteboard. All of that can be done dynamically. And then we also have the ability to bring in technical shots. So we have a GoPro attached where I now want to go ahead and walk you through something like this. I'm going to zoom in on a part, pan over, and I'm going to mark up and point out, mark up and point out that that has to be 200 microfarads. So as an example, not only can I interact with content and data, but I can bring in laptops, additional cameras, and on top of that, I can bring in my design documents and work through and point it out. So perfect use case would be, here's my design, here's my simulation for data, here's my actual product. I can walk you through all of that.